Nowadays, people in the Philippines frequently use jeepneys, which are their main transportation or a means to carry some burdens. However, these jeepneys fuels could be harmful to environment, especially on air system. The causes of this situation could be varied: use of old surplus engines, poor maintenance practices, tampering of the vehicle system, overloading, and poor driving behaviors and practices. Jeepney air pollution occurs when bad chemical reactants coming from jeepney pollutes the atmosphere. Jeepney air pollution is bad. The reason why it is bad is that it can cause lung irritation, burning eyes, coughing, and chest tightness. In addition, it creates smog, which is mixture of bad air pollutants that can cause or aggravate health problems such as asthma, emphysema, and chronic bronchitis and other respiratory problems as well as eye irritation. Air pollution also affects the environment by destroying the ozone layer, resulting in allowing harmful ultraviolet rays and creation of acid rain that damages plants and animals. A study by Asian Development Bank estimated that 500,000 public utility vehicles, mostly jeepneys, produce 22,000 metric tons of soot emissions per year in our urban centers. In Metro Manila alone, there are about 500,000 diesel-fueled jeepneys plying the streets. Department of Energy is one of responsible organizations for the exploration and development of clean and alternative energy. According to World Health Organization, WHO for short, it is prone for children to get chronic respiratory disease if they are exposed to environments with air pollution. While tobacco smoke and certain outdoor pollutants are known as risky factors for respiratory infections, indoor air pollution from solid fuels is one of the major contributors to the global burden of disease. The exposure is particularly high among women and young children. According to Philippine Medical Association, petroleum-fueled vehicles are the top contributors to air pollution in Metro Manila, and this led causes to respiratory disease in the country. They say that polluted air can severely harm one's health as the lungs directly receive the particles in the air around us. Inhaling polluted air can result to colds, cough, and asthma, which can develop into serious respiratory illnesses such as pneumonia and lung cancer. For the counterclaim, even though air pollution causes various kinds of disease and allergies, different people react differently to certain levels of air pollution, so some people may not affected by it. Also, it is the source of what makes our vehicles run. Viewing in a long term, there would be more income to hospitals, Earth will be relieved of the excess population, and there would be profitable to farm companies. Even though it could provide some advantages, jeepney pollution is still a bad thing. Even if there are low possibilities to get this disease, there are still possibilities for people to get it, and that is why we should start to control and make policies to solve this problem. We have to control uses of gas-demanding machines like air conditioners and vehicles. Effort to ride public transportations which demands less methane gas is needed. Even though we could not just rely on planting trees, people needed to plant many trees to prevent this situation worse.